When writing your introduction for your editorial, you want to be sure to include a hook, some background information, and your thesis. Here's an example from a student who wrote about college being the best choice after high school. If you look at this first paragraph, you'll see that they started with a question. Have you ever been in that sticky situation where you're in 12th grade of high school and you have to choose to go to college or start working? Then they make a simple sentence or statement and go right into their thesis. There's always a right decision, and going to college is the right decision. That's part of the background information still. And their statement, then their thesis statement starts with, college is the best choice after high school, etc., and the reasons why. The couple things that are squared off in red are some typographical errors, okay? So you might want to look at how they can be fixed. But this is a good basic introduction. The one thing is that the student addresses the audience as just you. And one thing that can be improved is that we want to make that more specific and more objective, just to say students, perhaps. So here's the one example. You can also look at how the same student concluded their paper. And so this was their conclusion, and it reflects clearly what they stated in their introduction. College is the main factor that contributes in making your life better. Again, they're using you, and it would be better to say, students, young adults, something that's a little more objective and clarifies who that audience is. But again, they show their thesis. They restate that a little bit. It's underlined here in black that college is the best choice after high school because it gives those 3 reasons, repeats them, and then has a concluding statement. So this is a good example to look at how the introduction and conclusion reflect one another as you are wrapping up your editorial, restating your claim in the conclusion, and trying to explain a little further your reasons to support that position.